Hello everyone, this is case study for BMII1112. So these are the 4 case studies that we'll be looking into in this case study. So for the case study 1 is ergonomics issue in an office workstation environment. The case scenario is a medium-sized service company in Johor employs administrative staff who works at computer workstation for 7 to 9 hours per day. Recently, several employees have reported back pain, neck stiffness, wrist discomfort, and frequent headache. Management also noticed a decline in productivity and an increase in sick leave. An observation of the office environment reveals the following conditions. Employees use non-adjustable chairs with fixed arm set, computer monitors are not positioned at eye level, keyboards and mouse devices are placed too far from the user, workers often sit with poor posture including bent back and unsupported feet. Lastly, the lightning causes screen glare leading to eye strain. The management is concerned that the current workstation design is not ergonomically suitable and has asked industrial engineering students to review the situation from an ergonomic perspective. So question 1 is based on the case above, need to explain the main aim of ergonomic in improving the office workstation design. So the main aim of ergonomics is to design the workstation to fit the worker rather than forcing the worker to adapt the poorly designed equipment. And by applying ergonomic principles, the workstation is adjusted to support proper posture, minimize repetitive stress, reduce fatigue and discomfort, and to improve the work efficiency. Moreover, good ergonomics leads to lower injury rates, improved employee well-being, and increased productivity. Question 2 is to identify and explain 3 ergonomics related problems present in the office workstation environment. So the first one is poor seating design and posture support. Employees are using non-adjustable chairs with fixed and arm sets which do not support individual body dimension. Over their long working hours, it can cause lower back pain, poor sitting posture, and neck stiffness. Second one is the improper monitor, keyboards, and mouse placement. The computer monitors are not positioned at eye level, forcing the employees to tilt their head downwards or upward, leading to neck strain and headaches. Additionally, keyboards and mouse devices placed too far away causes excessive reaching, resulting in wrist and shoulder discomfort. This poor layout increases repetitive strain, injuries, and reduced work efficiency. Last one is the inadequate lighting and screen glare. The office lighting creates screen glare, causes the eye strain, visual fatigue, and frequent headache. Poor lighting conditions also reduce concentration and decrease productivity. Now moving on to case study 2 is to improving work efficiency through time and motion study. The case scenario is as below. A small manufacturing company in Malacca produces plastic electrical component. One of the manual assembly station involves an operating, assembling and inspecting components before placing them into a container. The operator performs the same task repeatedly throughout an 8-hour shift. Recently, the production supervisor observed that the cycle time varies between operators. Operators perform unnecessary hand movements during assembly. Tools and materials are not consistently placed within easy reach. Production output is lower than expected despite no machine breakdowns. The management believes that the problem may be related to inefficient work methods rather than worker performance. As a result, industrial engineering students are asked to study the situation using time and motion study concept. So question 1 is to explain the purpose of conducting a time and motion study in the assembling workstation described above. The purpose of conducting a time and motion study at the assembly workstation is to analyze how the job is performed and how long each work element takes in order to identify inefficient movements, unnecessary actions, and variations in work methods among the operators. By studying the current work process, management can develop a more efficient and standardized method, reduce wasted motion, and improve overall productivity without increasing worker workload. Second question is to identify and explain three benefits that the company may obtain by applying time and motion study technique at the workstation. Firstly, improve work efficiency and reduce cycle time. Now, time and motion study helps identify unnecessary hand movements and poor work sequence. By eliminating these inefficiency, the assembly process becomes faster and smoother, leading to a shorter and more consistent cycle time. Next is standardization of work method. By analyzing different operators' work methods, the company can identify the best and most efficient way to perform the task. This allows management to standardize the assembly process, reducing variation between operators and ensuring consistent output quality. Lastly, to increase the production output and better resource utilization. With improved methods and better placement of work and material, operators can work more efficiently with less fatigue and fewer delays. This leads to higher production output without the need for new machine or additional labor. Third case study is automation decision in a manufacturing production line. A local manufacturing company in Selangor produces plastic household component using a manual production line. The process involves material handling, assembly, and inspection tasks carried out by the workers. Recently, the company has faced several challenges, which are low production output due to manual operations, inconsistent product quality caused by human errors, high labor dependency and increasing labor costs. Lastly is safety concerns in repetitive and physically demanding tasks. The management is considering introducing an automation system to improve efficiency and remain competitive. However, they are unsure which type of automation system is suitable and whether automation will truly benefit the organization. So the first question is to explain two reasons why the company should consider implementing an automation system. First is to increase the production efficiency and output. Automation allows tasks to be performed faster and continuously by reducing dependence on manual labor. The company can increase production output, reduce cycle time, and meet customer demands more consistently. Second is to improve product quality and reduce human error. Because automation performs tasks in a repeated and controlled manner, resulting in a more uniform product, fewer defects, and less rework. Question 2. Based on the case, identify and explain one suitable type of automation system that could be applied in the production line. So the suitable type of automation system is fixed automation. It is suitable for this production line because the company produces plastic household components in large volume with similar design. This type of automation uses dedicated equipment and machines to perform specific tasks such as material handling, assembly, and inspection. The fixed automation offers high production rates, consistent quality, and improved safety, making it ideal for repetitive and physically demanding operations. Although the initial investment is high, it is cost-effective in the long run for mass production. The last case study is about enhancing manufacturing operations through computer-integrated manufacturing. The case scenario is a medium-sized electronic manufacturing company in Malaysia produces consumer electronic products such as home appliances and electronic modules. The company currently uses separate systems for product design, production planning, machining, assembly, material handling, and storage. The management has identified several operation issues, which are poor information flow between design, planning, and production departments, delay in material delivery between workstations, high work in process inventory due to inefficient storage and retrieval, manual handling of material causing longer lead time, limited coordination between machines, material handling system, and production schedule. To remain competitive, the company is considering upgrading its manufacturing system by introducing computer integrated manufacturing and supporting automation technologies such as automated flow lines, automated guided vehicle system, and automated storage and retrieval system. Question 1. To explain the concept of computer integrated manufacturing and how it can help improve the company's manufacturing operations. Computer integrated manufacturing is a manufacturing approach where all major production functions are integrated through the computer systems. These include product design, product planning, machining, assembly, material handling, storage, and quality control. So by using computer integrated manufacturing, or also known as CIM, the information can flow automatically and in real time between departments such as design, planning, and production. This improves coordination, scheduling, and decision making. As a result, the company can reduce lead time, lower work in process, inventory, improve productivity, and increase overall manufacturing efficiency. Question 2. To identify and explain one automation system, either automated flow line, AGVS, or ASRS, that would help solve one of the operation issues faced by the company. So my answer is automated storage and retrieval system, ASRS. It is a suitable to solve the problem of high work in process inventory and efficient storage and retrieval. This system uses computer control equipment to automatically store and retrieve materials or components from storage locations. By applying ASRS, the company can reduce manual material handling, improve inventory accuracy, and ensure faster material availability to production workstations. This leads to shorter lead times, better space utilization, and smoother production flow. So in conclusion, all four case studies demonstrate how industrial engineering principles help improve organization performance by focusing on workplace design, work methods, automation, and system integration. Together, these approaches enable organizations to operate more efficiently, safely, and competitively in today's industrial environment. And that's the end for my case study. Thank you very much.